Assalamualaikum and a very pleasant day to all viewers. Welcome to our poster presentation for MathX project PRM 1026 Mathematics Semester 2 2020. Our team is proud to present our one and only study scope entitled Permutation and Combination in Personal Security. Expected theory or concept for personal security is very crucial for us to deter, delay and provide a warning before the possible crime in constructive manner occur. For instance, social media accounts, financial accounts and also entertainment accounts. Personal security aims to protect people from physical violence, domestic abuse, from predatory adults or even digital abuse. Therefore, combinatorics is very important in mathematics that consists of probability theory that includes permutation and combination.
I will present about the summary of our activity. So in a group of 7 members, we would start our MathX project for PRM 1026 by having a group discussions among us to generate ideas and alternatives for our MathX project report write-up. Next, the tasks were being distributed fairly to collect data and information among the pre-university students regarding our topics from the internet and a lot of references from mathematics books. Besides, asking our supervisors and lecturers is also one of our priority to gain more information regarding our topic. Other than that, the climax of our MathX project was the report write-up, based on our findings in the team. So after writing the report, we will prepare a slide and poster to present our finding. Next, I will present about the parameterization. So the variables of these MathX projects consist of approximately around 200 students from the Center of Pre-University Studies in the University of Malaysia Sarawak, UNIMAS, for January until middle of February. Okay, thank you.
So there are two equation statements which are permutation and combination. Permutation is the arrangement of a given set of numbers or things in a certain order. There can be two types of permutation based on if repetition of elements or numbers are allowed or not. The formula for permutation of choosing and arranging non-repeating R elements from a set of n elements is NPR equal to n factorial over n minus R factorial. R is less or equal to n. Okay, for example, given the word MATHS, maths, find the number of possible arrangements of its letters. So the solution is that we can see that there is no repetition in the word maths. Also, there are 5 digits in total in the given word. Also, we have 5 out of 5 choices given, hence 5p5. So using the formula given, we can find the answer is 5p5 equal to 5 factorial over 5 minus 5 factorial, which 5 is less or equal than 5. So the answer is, we will have 120 numbers of possible arrangement of digits of the word maths. So now for combination. Combination is simply a manner of selection of members from a given group. In such kind of selection, the order does not make a difference. Also, there is no repetition taken in the concept of combination. They are assumed without repetition only. So the formula is NCR equal to n factorial over R factorial times n minus R factorial, which R is less or equal to n. So for example, in a lucky draw, sheet of 10 names are out in a box, of which 3 are to be taken out. Find the number of ways which those 3 names can be taken out. So the solution is there are possible numbers of ways finding 3 names out of 10 box, which is 10C3. So using the formula of combination, we can say that 10C3 equal to 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 10 minus 3 factorial. So the answer will be there are 120 different ways of choosing 3 names out of the 10 from the box.
For the result, we had decided to survey by sharing on online form throughout social media. There are 6 options of the favorite key and lock, that are chem locks, electronic combination locks, mechanical combination locks, padlock fittings, radial pin lock, and never use any key and lock. The most favored key and lock is padlock fitting, while the least favored is never use any key and lock. Next, there are 7 favorite font security used by the students, which are pin code or passcode. Or pin code consists of number or digit, no security, face recognition, fingerprint recognition. Password consists of alphabet and special symbol, pattern, and voice or sound recognition. As you can see at the pie chart, the most favored font security is passcode or pin code, consists of number or digit. And the least favored font security is no security. After that, there are 6 ideas for creating password for personal security, which are only alphabet, only digit, only special symbol, alphabet and number, alphabet, number and symbol, and lastly uppercase, lowercase, special symbol, and number. The most preferred ideas is alphabet and number with 92%, and the lowest is uppercase, lowercase, special symbol, and number with 10%. Lastly, among 200 people, there are 106% answered combination safer to apply in creating a security system, and 92% answer permutation, while there are 4% that not answer the question.
I'm going to explain the application of the security system based on the permutation and combination in our daily life. First and foremost, most people love to use padlock fittings as the padlock use method solid bodies and combination lock. How the padlock fittings work? Once the correct key slips into a pin and tumbler lock, the pointing teeth and notches on the key edge allow the loaded spring pins to travel up and down until they meet with a track called a shear line. To make it simpler, as long as you use the right key, you can unlock the padlock easily. Every key has its own unique design in order to unlock its particular padlock. 21% or 42 out of 200 people chose camlock as their favorite. Camlocks are cylindrical fasteners used in cabinet construction and many furniture types. It is widely used for simple locking such as installed in drawers or lockers. A majority of camlocks are cylindrical and located within the woods. The cylindrical tube has a slit on one side which protects the tongue of the matching bolt. These locks require a key to unlock the door. So mechanism for the camlock doesn't have so much difference if the padlock fitting is both of them need the correct key to unlock them. The benefit of having a camlock is it is inexpensive and very easy to use. However, the camlock though has a rather poor structure. This can be dented easily as it uses simple materials. By the way, there is an advanced camlock which is combination camlock. The combination camlock uses combination dial code. When the device inside the base is rotated, it locks and unlocks. This mechanism provides a basic but flexible locking that acts as a secure door, cabinet, and more. The advantage of the combination lock is that the user will not need to keep a key to unlock the door. 17.5% or 35 out of 200 people stated out that their favorite key and lock is by using electronic combination lock. This engineering is classed as the top tier of the security. It is mainly used in modern buildings such as hotel doors, office lock doors, or safety box. A credit card reader is also an electronic combination lock that is the users during the shopping. So the electronic combination works by entering the right permutation to unlock the door to proceed with the payment. The benefit of using electronic combination lock is that provide the best protection mechanism. This also has a strong durability thanks to its heavy metal builds. The drawbacks though are That is very costly to buy an electronic combination lock and will have a chance to break with some hacking tools.
A mechanical combination lock is a type of locking device in which a sequence of symbols, usually numbers, is used to open the lock. Combination locks use a pair of wheels, which is a set of wheels that work together to get the combination to unlock the lock. Once the correct combination of the lock died, all the gears and their notch are perfectly aligned, which will allow the halves of the lock to release. Radial pin lock or radial pin tumbler (RPT) is a variety of pin tumbler lock in which a number of pins are arranged in a circular pattern and the corresponding key is tabular or cylindrical in shape. Most locks use between 6 and 8 pins, although some use as few as 4 or as many as 10. The devices have been widely used on vending machines, elevators, public computers, and bicycle lock. A personal identification number, as known as PIN, is a security code to prove your identity. Basically, longer PIN codes are more secure than smaller PIN code. There are 10,000 possible variants when using a 4-digit PIN and 1 million available codes with a 6-digit PIN. Longer pins work well because more attempts are required to guess them. After a specified number of attempts, most security systems lock the account. For example, PIN code of the banking machine.
Okay, so I would like to continue with the usage of fingerprint scanning for security. So firstly said, the fingerprints of a human is very unique. Even for twins, which are identical in physical features, they won't have the same fingerprints. The scanner converts the unique pattern of your fingerprints to code from a digital image. To summarize, by scanning the pattern of the fingerprint, it is secure that it will not be unlocked by someone else. Next will be pattern as our security. It is mainly available in smartphones. This is because it is convenient to use rather than remembering any long passwords. Most people might prefer drawing shapes that are easy to memorize. A pattern is formed when you connect the nodes on a 3x3 grid. To conclude, patterns is an easy method for security. Moving on, the next method will be by using passwords. Password is a top security to unlock by others. This is because every characters on a keyboard can be included in a password. Whether it is for a laptop, smartphones, or a safe lock, a password is a reliable method to use to keep your belongings safe. But it is required to memorize a certain password, which is quite a drawback if you have a poor memorizing ability. Lastly, we'll be using voice recognition. Firstly, our unique box produces a voice which is different from others. The voice box produces a certain wavelength of voice so that it differs from other people. The process of unlocking is by comparing speech between the two, saved and attempt. Saved audio is the data received as a lock. Attempt is the speech used to unlock or the key. It will unlock if the two data collected is identical. However, this method can be manipulated by using recordings of voice. Anyways, it is still a reliable security method.